In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious candied pecans recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of pecans, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg white, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of water. To the sugar, we're going to add in the cinnamon and mix. In a separate bowl, we're going to add in the egg white, salt, vanilla extract, and the water and whisk. Once this mixture becomes foamy, we're going to add in our pecans. Coat the pecans evenly. Add in the cinnamon sugar mixture and mix completely. Pour this on a baking sheet and spread out evenly. Bake this in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to flip them with a spatula. We're going to repeat this baking and flipping process 4 times. Our candied pecans are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.